Hi, my name is Mario Sousa. I've got an important message for all heart-centered business leaders that are looking to take their businesses to the next level. 2020 was a tough year, especially for all the entrepreneurs and small businesses out there. Livelihoods were plunged into uncertainty and businesses were forced to close their doors for extended periods of time, while others closed altogether. I believe that 2021 is the year of transformation and recovery. It's the year to rebuild all businesses and rebuild them stronger and more resilient than ever before. In my professional opinion, this is where the biggest opportunity now is for heart-centered business leaders in 2021. There are now hundreds of thousands of business owners that are reopening and looking for innovative ways to make their businesses sustainable and fully recession-proof. My team and I are on a mission to lead other like-minded, heart-centered business leaders that are ready to make a bigger impact in their personal lives, their communities, and around the world. Please review my website and reach out to me personally with any questions you might have. The future looks extremely bright. If you see what I see, let's work together. Change the world. Start with you. Mario Sousa, Heart Centered Leadership. Visit my website at www.mariosousa.net.